everyone and welcome back. Today I have another package to share with you all. This one is from the guys at All From One Supplier. That's the name of the company. So when you're going online, you're going to type www.allfromonesupplier.com. This is their website. So guys, let's jump straight into this box. So let's open up the box, and I'm always impressed with how properly everything has been packaged. And let me just watch my list so I'll know, making sure that I'm opening up the correct one to show you guys. Okay, so let's start with A, box A. And you guys will notice everything is always packaged so neatly and so nicely and securely also. And in this first container we have here, we have cheesies and the rock tops. I'm going to set that aside. The next container we have a big packet of ping pong. We have that Charles fruit and nut chocolate. This is one of my favorites. We have the Tiki hazelnut. We have the Tiki vanilla trilla. We have the vanilla creams, Devon vanilla creams. And we have the Devon bourbon creams. And these you can save. Okay, so here we have the Apple J. Look how secure the Apple J is, like amazing. So here's the Apple J. Set that aside. Okay, let's continue. We have more items. All of this is in one box, guys. So let's open up this one. We get 2 chocolate digestives. We get a big pack of choo-choos. These are my favorites. I feel like Trinidad choo-choos is the best. Next we have a 4-pack of caramel. Then we get a nuggle. Look at stuff you're getting. A Cocoa Crisp. And a catch. Set this aside. How exciting is this, guys? Like, wow. You guys are definitely getting your money's worth, and you guys need to stop what you're doing and just go order. So next box we have the KC candy, the best candy, Dinner Mint. And we have Zumas, my favorite. This is one of my faves. What's gonna happen is some of the items are going to be switched out. So like I said, the ping pong is going to be switched out for Jordan almonds. So I also have that with me to show you guys. So you got that box, right? So think about everything that I just unboxed, and then we're switching out a couple of the things. So let me show you guys. So we said the ping pong we're switching out for Jordan almonds, right? The Devon bourbon cookies will be switched out for the Devon chocolate cookies. The Devon vanilla cookies will be switched out for the custard cream. The Tiki vanilla will be switched out for Tiki coconut. The Tiki hazelnut is being switched out for Tiki chocolate. The Zumas is being switched out for a Bigfoot. The fruit and nut chocolate is being switched out for a rum and raisin. Oh my god, guys, this is just so unbelievable. The peanut punch, no, the Apple J will be switched out for 1 chocolate. Here we have the Orchard. It's going to be switched out for a Pear J, and the Pear J is in this packaging. Right. So here we have the Pear J. The Orchard orange juice will be switched out to a Pear J, and Pear J is actually my favorite. I prefer it over Apple J. And the last one that will be switched out, the peanut punch, will be switched out for a solo. So guys, that's it. The box is empty and everything was well packaged. I know it's a lot. Let me just set this box aside. So guys, these are all of the items. Now remember, I told you guys that a few of the items will be switched out. So for the ping pong, you get the Jordan almonds. For the Devon biscuits, they're going to be switched out with 2 different flavors. The Tiki, vanilla and hazelnut, will be switched out for coconut and chocolate. The Zumas is going to be switched out for the Bigfoot. The Charles fruit and nut chocolate is going to be switched out for the rum and raisin. The dinner mints, they're going to be switched out for ginger mints or power mints. The peanut punch is going to be switched out for the solo, which we have here. The apple J for the choc nut, so we have the apple J is going to be switched out for the choc nut, and then the orchard will be switched out for the pear G. So I like that they're doing that. They're switching out items, which makes it easier and you don't get the same thing over and over. Now if you want the same thing, you can request it, or if you want to switch up the box, I'm sure they're going to be able to work with you to fulfill your needs. So guys, $35 for all of these treats and snacks. You all have to stop what you're doing and go and order. It's totally amazing, and I love the fact that they are switching out items for the next box that's going to come, because you don't want the same thing. And of course, if you want something different, you can request it. So I just actually love the array of snacks that we have here, and $35 is not bad. So go click on the link in my description box where you can order today and get your snacks in time. So I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing. Do remember to follow All From One Supplier on Facebook and on Instagram. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember guys, if you make a purchase, comment and let us know what you think. Bye everyone.